You ever walk in your home and feel heavy? Like something's off, but you can't point it out. It's not dirt. It's not mess. It's clutter. Hidden, lingering, quietly stealing your peace. The Amish? They don't live like that. They live light, simple, free. And today, we're diving into 10 strange things you forgot to declutter. The Amish way. It might just change how you see your home forever. That one drawer full of just-in-case junk. You know the one. The drawer in the kitchen. Or maybe in the hallway. The one overflowing with keys you can't identify, random coins, dried-out pens, batteries you think still work, and old takeout menus. Everyone's got one. Even people who swear they don't. The Amish? Not so much. Their drawers aren't confession booths for forgotten junk. They're clean, tidy, intentional. If something's kept, it's because it earns its place. Daily. That just-in-case drawer isn't security, it's anxiety. A tiny black hole sucking in all the little decisions you were too tired to make. You don't need 3 bottle openers. You don't need that rubber band that snapped last summer. Clear it, wipe the dust, and breathe again. Amish style. Promotional freebies you never wanted. Mugs from an insurance seminar. T-shirts 2 sizes too big from a 5K you never ran. Pins with logos for companies you forgot. All these freebies that somehow make you feel grateful. Like you owe them a place in your house because they were free, but really they're just noise. Unwanted clutter dressed up as generosity. The Amish don't hoard what they didn't ask for. They don't accept things just because they're free. If something's not needed, it's turned down right at the door. No guilt, no second thoughts. Imagine saying no next time someone hands you another free tote bag. You're not ungrateful. You're just free from clutter guilt. Unfinished projects that still haunt you. You started it. That puzzle, that half-painted bench, that DIY dog bed made from pallets. You had good intentions, but life happened. The project lost its spark, and now it sits there, half done and full of guilt. The Amish live by completion. If a chair is built, it's sat in. If a quilt is started, it's finished and passed down. They don't let things linger, because lingering tasks drain energy. Quietly, constantly, like background apps on your phone. You keep walking past that half-done thing like it owes you something. It doesn't. You owe yourself peace. Either finish it or free yourself from it. But don't let it haunt you. Amish wisdom says, do it or drop it. Extra buttons and sewing notions you'll never use. There's that little tin or baggie of spare buttons. You got them too, don't you? From coats you no longer wear. From shirts long gone. So many shapes. None of them match anything in your closet. And still, we keep them. What if I need this one day? We say. The Amish sew what they need. Mean what's real, not imaginary. Their sewing kits are practical, lean, purposeful. No fantasy repairs. No saving for clothes that left years ago. If your sewing box has turned into a time capsule, maybe it's time to let go. Let go of the buttons. Let go of the maybes. Keep only what touches your present life, not your forgotten laundry. Old makeup and toiletries that are expired. Crumbling eyeshadow palettes. Dry nail polish. Lotion bottles with a crusty lid. A drawer full of things that once made you feel fresh and now just smell like regret. The Amish keep grooming simple. No vanity. No collection. Just what works and works well. A bar of lye soap. Maybe a homemade salve. Their approach isn't about rejection. It's about rhythm. Clean, efficient, uncomplicated. Look through your bathroom shelf. If it's expired, it's not serving you. If you haven't used it in 6 months, you probably never will. That serum isn't a promise, it's clutter. Let it go. Reclaim the calm your mornings once had. Obsolete papers you think you need. Tax record from 15 years ago. Receipts so faded they're blank. Appliance manuals for toasters you threw away 2 apartments ago. You got a whole file box of important stuff that isn't important anymore. Amish homes keep records, but only those that serve life, not weigh it down. Simplicity demands clarity, and piles of outdated paperwork only invite stress. Go through that stack, one sheet at a time. Ask, do I need this to live? To pay a bill? To protect a memory? If not, burn it, or shred it, or both. Because peace is quiet paper drawers. The kind the Amish have. Decorative knickknacks you don't even see anymore. Little figurines on the shelf. A souvenir snow globe from Vegas. That mini Eiffel Tower from your cousin's honeymoon. They once had meaning, sure, but now they're background noise. Things you dust but don't notice. The Amish decorate with restraint. A single stitched verse. A bouquet of dried flowers. Maybe a wood carving passed down from Grandpa. Their walls breathe. Their shelves speak softly. If your home's starting to feel like a gift shop, it's time to ask yourself, does this thing still speak to me? Or has it faded into silence? Because silence is sacred in Amish homes. And your space deserves to whisper again. Appliance graveyards in basement or garage. Bread machines from 2004. A blender missing the lid. The old microwave you swore you'd donate. That box fan that squeaks. These broken or useless things live in your garage like ghosts of good intentions. You tell yourself they'll be fixed. You'll give them away. But they sit there, waiting, mocking. The Amish don't let broken tools linger. They fix them quick. Well, they move on. Their barns are tidy. Their cellars aren't junkyards. You need to walk into that garage and see it for what it is, a holding cell for the things you're too indecisive to release. Today's a good day to make the call. Keep or toss. Heal or let go. Digital clutter you can't see but feel. Okay, it's not Amish to talk digital. They don't do screens. But if they did, they'd probably have 5 emails in their inbox, not 5,000. Your phone is slow. Your laptop lags. And it's not the hardware. It's the junk. Old files. Unread newsletters. 20 photos of the same sunset. The Amish believe in clearing space to clear the mind. Same goes for tech. Every unnecessary file is mental weight. Digital hoarding is still hoarding. And it's more exhausting because you can't see it. Take an hour. Delete. Unsubscribe. Breathe. Simplicity isn't just for the barn. It's for the browser too. Old dreams you forgot to let go. And this one, it's not even physical, but it clutters deeper than anything else. That business you almost started. That version of yourself who was going to run marathons, play violin, or move to the mountains. Sometimes the heaviest clutter lives in your soul. The Amish don't chase 10 dreams at once. They wake, they work, they rest, and their purpose is woven into their routine, not fantasized in silence. It's okay to release a dream that no longer fits you. Doesn't mean you failed. Means you're evolving. Declutter the old ambition. Make space for the real one. The one that fits your life now. That's the Amish way. Sometimes it's not about throwing things away. It's about making room for what really matters. That's what the Amish have mastered. And maybe, just maybe, it's what we're all craving. If this stirred something in you, hit like. Subscribe. We've got more old world wisdom waiting. Right here on Rustic Pantry. See you next time.